This actor. Elizabeth.
Oh my god.
No, that's fixed.
Rasputin got drunk by the fix.
San Francisco. No.
Brooklyn. A church, and he told the man where I need to put the bike and.
What do you think, Viv?
Dimitri, Helen is begging Dimitri
No,
to
it's not. Sarah?
from Lysander.
Sarah?
Love. Please stop fighting this scrappy nature.
Elga.
Yummy.
Lysander, why are you ignoring me?
I don't love you anymore.
What?
What is a smoke? Oh no, they're burning a woman alive! But if we try to save her, they will kill us! I can always speak for myself, but I'm willing to take that risk.
Thank you for saving me. But the tradition is in India is when your husband dies, you have to burn the wife.
That is terrible. We are traveling around the world in 80 days. Do you like to join us?
Yes, that sounds great. And I have nothing left in India.
Next stop, Kolkata! Give me the boy, Titania.
No, I will never give him to you.
I'm the king, you must obey me.
He's my responsibility, not yours. Please stop fighting. He's hurting nature.
I'll find a way to get the boy.
Tell me, I have a secret plan.
What is it? You can tell me.
Lysander and I will go away tomorrow night.
Run away. This is very brave.
We will go far and get married.
I'm sad, but good luck. My daughter does not listen to me.
I want to marry Lysander, not Demetrius.
You must obey me. Demetrius is the right man.
I don't love him, father.
Your father has the right to choose your husband.
It's not fair.
I have a magic flower. What will you do with it? I can put on Titania's eyes. What will then happen? She will fall in love. That sounds like a trick.